to draw. And then, ayan, makikita nyo tong price na $500. So, equivalent siya siguro sa 25,000 pesos. Okay, so meron ditong get a ticket and get more tickets, and then my home, tickets, results, winners, and referral. Okay, para sa tutorial na to, so i-click muna natin tong settings niya. Okay, so click natin yan. And then ayan, so makikita nyo dito yung game rules, how to play, yung contact us kung may problema kayo. So pwede nyong kontakin sila. So pwede nyong i-rate kung maganda yung application. Then yung privacy policy nila, pwede nyong basahin, terms and conditions, and then invite friend. Ayan, and then yung mga yung mga social media account nila, pwede nyong i-follow. Okay, so makikita nyo dito yung inyong referral ID. Ayan. So makikita nyo dyan. And then okay, so click muna natin tong game rules. Okay. Ayan, so dito explain sa inyo kung paano yung rules ng game. Okay, so sabi dito sa una, daily draw at 5 PM UTC or Universal Time Coordinated. Okay, so yung 5 PM na yon, so equivalent siya siguro sa time ng Philippines ay 1 AM. 1 AM, so yun yung draw niya. And then get the first 4 number in the same order to win $10. Okay, kapag tumama kayo, kasi itong pagtaya dito is 6 na number. So kapag tumaya kayo ng 4 at tumama yon, so mananalo kayo ng $10. And then get the first 5 numbers in the same order to win $50. So kapag 5 naman yung tumama na 5 sunod-sunod na number o doon sa the same order nung lumabas doon sa draw, so magkakaroon kayo or mananalo kayo ng $50 naman. Dito naman sa pang-apat, get 6 numbers in the same order to win $500. So the prize will be divided between the winners. Okay, so kapag 5 kayong nanalo or 2 kayong nanalo, so maghahati kayo sa $500. So hindi na masama kung nanalo kayo or 5 kayong nanalo, so may tigo $100 na kayo. Then the app is free of charge. All the tickets are obtained for free. You can get up to 50 tickets per draw. All tickets will be included in the raffle. So meron silang 50 raffle entry or tickets. Pwede kayong tumaya ng up to 50. So napakarami na nun. Kahit anong number pwede nyo na.